In the manufacturing world, machine downtime is costly and every minute counts. Whether it's a critical medical device or high-value machinery, LogMeIn Rescue is the game-changing IT solution designed to maximize equipment uptime, boost productivity, and turn lightning-fast support into customer loyalty. From remotely troubleshooting complex devices to hassle-free warranty processing and returns, quality assurance, compliance, you name it, Rescue does it, quickly and at your convenience. With multi-party troubleshooting, you can bring together remote experts, field techs, and manufacturer representatives to make repairs when you need them most. And when it comes to personalized support, Rescue's visual tools turn even non-technical users into efficient problem solvers. Say goodbye to costly downtime and on-site visits. Say hello instead to first call resolutions and happier customers with Rescue.